COVID pandemic has dominated 2020, and tomorrow marks a significant date.
WGN's Lourdes Duarte has more.
Well, tomorrow marks 6 months since the first official case of COVID-19 was reported here in Illinois. In 6 months, the state went from one confirmed case to more than 160,000.
For the last 6 months, Illinois has become well acquainted with COVID-19, initially leading the country as one of the states with the most transmissions, but then leveling off. The COVID story here goes back to January 24th. That's when the first official COVID case was reported in Illinois. A woman in her 60s returned to the Chicago area from Wuhan after visiting relatives. Her husband also contracted COVID. Together, they became the first case of person-to-person transmission in the U.S.
We're going to continue for her to be in isolation now until we are quite sure that she's no longer communicable.
Both recovered from the virus, but other cases quickly followed. By February 29th, a third Illinois resident in Cook County tested positive. Within weeks of that, by March 17th, there were 160 COVID cases. The state also confirmed its first death from the virus, a Southside nurse in her 60s with an underlying condition.
Our hearts go out to the residents and staff at the long-term care facility who were diagnosed just in the last day.
By mid-March, it became clear that many of the state's nursing homes were in danger. Case after case of elderly residents getting sick or dying from the respiratory virus.
To avoid the loss of potentially tens of thousands of lives, we must enact an immediate stay-at-home order for the state of Illinois.
Then on March 21st, the governor's shelter-in-place order went into effect, shutting down businesses and keeping people home indefinitely. Schools were closed, and McCormick Place turned into a makeshift hospital. Testing sites quickly came together, all as cases and deaths continued to rise.
This is an unprecedented time, and we know that it will continue to take all of us doing what we're supposed to do, staying at home, wearing masks when we're outside, cleaning frequently touched surfaces.
On July 3rd, Illinois crossed a sad mark, and all 7,000 people were killed by the virus, but deaths have been slowing down. The focus went to other states, now beginning to see a quick rise in COVID numbers.
And each state does seem to have its own timeline on COVID. Florida, for example, didn't have its first confirmed case until March 1st. That's 5 weeks after our first case here in Illinois. By the way, we did try to reach out to the first couple to officially contract the virus here in Illinois. They continue to request their privacy. I'm Lourdes Duarte, WGN News.